HVAC Manufacturing and Technology has introduced an innovative air terminal product that is disrupting the HVAC industry. By solving the 50-year-old complex fluid dynamic problem of measuring airflow accurately and economically over a wide dynamic range with a single-size air terminal unit. Winning the AHR 2024 Innovation Award, the SAV Smart Air Valve uses cutting-edge patented variable orifice plate technology to efficiently measure and control low flows over a wide dynamic range economically with a 100-to-1 turn-down ratio. All units ship with an external double-wall metal insulation and internal IAQ metal liner. There is no performance penalty for oversizing the SAV. Therefore, a new simplified and economical value chain is created, allowing engineers to design the next generation of high-performance HVAC infrastructures, accelerating construction schedules for a faster infrastructure monetization. The SAV is available in round with a non-clogging, maintenance-free, lab-grade, total pressure airflow sensor, low-profile, cooling-only rectangular unit. The SAV is also available with an optional upstream, low-profile, factory pre-piped hydronic coil with factory preset pressure-independent control valve or electric heat for uniform airflow across the coil. The larger low-profile upstream surface area coil results in superior heat transfer, lower air pressure drop, with the ability to use lower entering water temperatures with less GPM, thus saving additional pump, fan, and boiler energy, including accurate airside BTUH monitoring with temperature reset sequence and accurate discharge air temperature readings. Can be used with heat pump chillers or heat recovery with a low EUI. Available with an optional low-profile, high-performance upright coil with optional transition, or optional high-performance low-profile pre-piped slanted hydronic coil, or optional high-performance factory pre-piped cooling and heating coils for humidity control, with optional electric heat with SCR control and optional knife edge disconnect switch. The variable orifice plate technology is also available in series and parallel fan-powered boxes with pre-piped hydronic coils or electric heat, or low-profile DOAS fan-powered induction box with sensible cooling and electric or hydronic heat, and a high-mixing, low-pressure drop 100-to-1 turn-down dual duct unit. The patented VOPT, variable orifice plate technology flow measurement obsoletes fixed orifice air terminals. VOPT transforms the damper into an intelligent aperture, which is an all-inclusive variable pressure magnification, flow measurement, and flow control device. The pressure magnification is over 100 times at low flows. The physics of the pressure measurement magnification works inverse of fixed orifice air terminals, and therefore the transducer will not bottom out at low flows, allowing for the damper to be calibrated over the entire dynamic range on highly accurate flow stands. A single-size SAV unit has similar performance as multiple calibrated fixed orifice air terminals and has a range of 2,500 feet per minute to 25 feet per minute with airflow accuracies to within a few CFM and accurate to 0.03 inches of water gauge. The SAV mitigates overcooling and heating of zones and operates as a pressure compensation damper proportional to airflow and temperature set points. A single-size 12-inch SAV has the same range as multiple 4-inch to 12-inch conventional air terminals. Simple to select and prefabricate ductwork, since a single-size unit can be used at all the zones regardless of performance parameters. When a zone needs to be reconfigured, a simple software change is implemented. The controllers are pre-programmed for a simple plug-and-play startup. A single-size unit meets ASHRAE standards 241, 195, and 62.1 collectively, with a low energy use intensity by matching the ventilation rate to the risk of hazard, featuring dynamic ventilation reset control, optimizing people counting sensor technology, and building automation analytics. The SAV ultra-low pressure operation allows for a high-performance duct system design, saving an additional 60% of fan energy and lowering CapEx and OpEx costs. The VOPT 100-to-1 turndown is accomplished by measuring the total pressure upstream of the damper and measuring the static pressure downstream of the damper in the stagnation zone. The patented variable orifice plate technology measures multiple vena contracta generated downstream of the damper edges with a substatic probe. Now that the damper is intelligent and will not bottom out the transducer at low flows, a patented 1200-point 3D surface algorithm is programmed in the name brand controller, resulting in a pressure compensation device proportional to occupant set points. The three axes include airflow CFM, pressure and damper position opening. The SAV ships with a 700-point factory commissioning report, validated from 0.03 to 2 inches of water gauge on calibrated airflow stands. Units are certified per ASHRAE 195, including the controller, transducer, and SAV terminal unit. Factory-witnessed performance testing is encouraged. The SAV allows for an accelerated construction schedule, resulting in a faster infrastructure monetization as a single-size unit is used at all the zones due to the 100-to-1 turn-down ratio. With the SAV, you have a future-proof infrastructure with no mechanical upgrades when reconfiguring workspaces. The SAV has been third-party tested with state-of-the-art airflow stands, comparing flow stand results, traverse results, and capture flow hood results. It was found that a factory-calibrated capture flow hood can be off by 10% or more. HVAC Manufacturing and Technology sent 2 SAVs for third-party testing with our proprietary 2-point K factor adjustment. The 12-inch round SAV was shipped with the normal calibration equation derived from a calibrated airflow chamber. The 10-inch high by 15-inch wide low-profile rectangular SAV calibration curve was offset by 11% to simulate system effects due to inefficient duct installation and design. The 11% error was properly measured by both the calibrated flow stand and duct traverse. The capture flow hood was off by 9%. This required a K-factor adjustment to both the SAV with the 11% calibration curve offset and the capture flow hood using a duct traverse method. This testing shows the importance of proper balancing done by trained and certified technicians. Capture flow hoods must be properly calibrated to the job site conditions using a traverse method, or else the entire system may be out of balance. For proper traverse calibration procedure, please reference the traverse balancing video produced by Engineered Air Balance at the link below, or go to their YouTube channel. When the 12-inch round SAV with the normal calibration curve was tested, it performed to within plus or minus 4% accuracy from 2,500 feet per minute to 150 feet per minute and plus or minus 6 feet per minute accuracy below 150 feet per minute, including with upstream and downstream elbows. The SAV ductwork can be sized to between 1,000 and 1,500 FPM max flow, eliminating the need for acoustical abatement, operating at a low pressure drop leading to a low energy use intensity with no internal insulation required for acoustical abatement, leading to superior indoor air quality. The Smart Air Valve with variable orifice plate technology is available with major name brand controllers such as Distech, Schneider, Siemens, Delta, Loytec, Honeywell, ABB, and more. The SAV with patented 100-to-1 turn-down variable orifice plate technology is available in round and low-profile rectangular units with optional factory pre-piped high-performance hydronic coils, electric coils with SCR control, fan-powered units, and high-performance dual duct units. The disruptive technology creates a new simplified and economical value chain. Engineers can now design high-performance HVAC systems meeting new standards, sustainability goals, a low EUI, whisper-quiet acoustics, superior occupant satisfaction, while matching the ventilation rate to the risk of hazard with a user-centric, healthy, future-proof flexible space infrastructure. There is no performance penalty for oversizing the smart air valves. For every half inch of system static pressure reduction results in approximately 60% fan energy savings. The same units used at all the zones results in accelerated project schedules and a faster infrastructure monetization. The low-profile, oversized coils with airside BTUH monitoring installed upstream of the SAV results in additional fan, pump, and boiler savings, lowering CapEx and OpEx costs. The SAV offers advanced BAS digital analytics and simplifies the network architecture. Each SAV ships with a pre-programmed name brand controller for a plug-and-play installation. Vertical markets include anywhere one needs to measure and control low fluids over a wide dynamic range economically, such as healthcare, life sciences, pharma, data centers, schools, commercial buildings, high-rise condos, passive housing, industrial and manufacturing infrastructures. With the 100-to-1 turn-down smart air valve, the future of VAV has arrived.